MaxOver batting tees can be easily customized or repaired. Today, we'll illustrate how to use skiv tape to increase friction on the bottom pole. Squeeze the rib on the black plastic liner on the inside of the steel clamp to open a small gap between the plastic and the clamp. Insert a small flat-bladed screwdriver into the gap to hold it open. Next, attach a 1/2 by 1/2 inch, 10 mils thick piece of skiv tape to a second flat blade screwdriver. Finally, slide the skiv tape all the way into the gap and remove both screwdrivers. If you want to learn how to straighten the base or change the top of an X2 tee, we've got you covered. Check out these videos for a quick and easy repair illustration. If you're not a fan of the standard red color of MaxOver tees, then this video's for you. We'll show you a simple, creative solution so that you can customize your tee's colors.